Hi, this is a demonstration of my WeShare Expense Tracker project. I will start by cloning the repository from GitLab. And then I will copy the clone URL and run the git clone command in my terminal to pull the code from to my local machine, Now I am navigating to the project directory and I will run the command to start the server, which is a maven execute command, while also directing the command to the correct folder to run this command in. Once the server is running, we will begin the user journeys. Now I will copy the URL for the web app and paste it onto the internet. I will be logging in as a new user as per the requirements. We land on the My Expenses page. Currently, all the states are empty because there are no expenses captured. I'll navigate to add a new expense, and I will be capturing a dinner party expense, inputting the necessary description, date in the correct format, and amount. Back on the dashboard, the expense is listed. If we inspect the amount element, we can see the CSS ID includes the unique UUID, amount underscore followed by the ID, matching the requirements. Now I will add two more expenses, ice cream and bread, just to populate our table. Now I want to split my bill, so I click on the description, which takes me to the payment request page. Notice the URL query string contains the expense ID, which tells the controller exactly which expense we are referencing. You can see that it is empty, the table is empty. Now I'm going to send a request to student number 3 to pay their part of the dinner party bill. After clicking submit, the page reloads. We can now see the request listed in the history. When I click on the payment request sent page, we can see that the request I just sent has been successfully updated. We have due in 8 days. We have the total unpaid accurately updated to 200 ZAR. Now we will log out and log in as student 3, the person who received the payment request. I land on the My Expenses page and we see it's just ice cream, no payment request sent, but we have received a payment request from Phetoho Msindo. We will pay the request and we see a tick indicating it has been paid. As per the requirements, we see that the request effectively creates an expense for me. Finally, let's log out of student 3 and log back into Phetoho Msindo to verify the updates. On the dashboard, look at the dinner now. Payments received has updated to 200 Rand and the net expense has gone down to 300 Rand. And if we check the payment request sent, the total unpaid amount has decreased, reflecting the payment made by student 3. This demonstrates the full flow of the WeShare application, covering all user journeys, hidden fields, and dynamic calculations. Thank you for watching.